Alright guys, so this is what the car looks like before the tint. A quick walk around. As you can see, completely clear. No tint whatsoever. Alright guys, this is the car. Full lighting. As you can see during the day. You can see some in if you look really close. But the other side's pretty much black all around. This is the inside on full daylight. As you could tell, that the front windshield, there's no tint. This is 10% tint. That's the difference side by side. You could clearly see out each side. As you guys could see, this is at night. Front glass, no tint. You can see in. Now this is the side glass, 10% tint. Can't see nothing in. The front, you can see a little bit. Pretty much nothing. Just black. All around. This is the inside at night. You can still see pretty out. See curbs. You can see outside. Visibility is still good with 10% tint. Here's the difference between the windshield, no tint, and tinted sides. Here it is side by side. Other side.